Hi, I'm Christina Heideck, and I'm here today to share with you 3 reasons why nobody is coming to your PTO meetings and what to do about it. Okay, the first reason why no one is coming to your PTO meetings is that they don't know when they are. Maybe you've decided to try and see how many people you can get at your meetings by adjusting the time each month. So you're not meeting on a consistent schedule, let's say like the first Wednesday of the month. Nope, you're meeting like maybe on a Wednesday this month and maybe on a Monday the next month, and there's no consistency to your schedule because you're trying to please everyone. Ditch that strategy right away because it's not working for you. People won't know when your meeting is if you keep bouncing it around. Pick a consistent date and stick with it. The second reason why no one is coming to your PTO meetings is because that the word on the street is that they take about 2 hours, and they have no interest in coming to a meeting that takes that long. Look, all kidding aside, if your meetings really are taking 2 hours, then that's way too long. You need to cut them down to no more than an hour, with the exception being for the very first meeting of the year when there's just like more information to share, and typically you have more new parents at that meeting than any other meeting. So really try to keep it to about an hour to an hour 15. If you're going 2 hours long, then people just aren't going to want to come. That's just the truth. The third reason why no one's coming to your PTO meetings is because word is also on the street that it's like Mean Girl City at the meetings, and there's a lot of immature and juvenile behavior going on. So what can you do to solve this one? Easy. Set the expectation at every PTO event, whether it's a meeting or any kind of gathering where parents are, that's just not allowed. Like, we're all adults and we should be acting like it. There is just simply no place for the kind of cattiness and backstabbing and general immaturity that PTOs and PTAs are so wrongly accused of having. So just make sure that your group isn't living into that.